obsessed with making desserts in the microwave, and it's so easy. Tonight I'm making a flourless chocolate brownie cake, and I put in 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips with 1 tablespoon of milk. Microwave that for 30 seconds and stirred. 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and then 1 egg yolk, which I'm keeping my egg whites because I like egg whites as an omelet. So into the 1 cup prep bowl they go. This goes right into there. Give it a stir, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 45 seconds. Afterwards, it looks like this. I'm just taking the same mini skinny scraper and running it along the edge. It will be a little soft, that's what it's supposed to be. And flip it over, take a little shake. Aha! And then I have my lovely little chocolate cake, flourless and not dairy free, sorry. It's just flourless, and it's really good. So, I'm gonna go eat this now, or maybe I'll find some ice cream to put on top.